No. Welcome to a video of trains at. Today we are at. Well, you'll wait for it. This video will mean I have to stand on the platform for 1 hour, but I don't mind because it's sunny. So thank you to the sun. It's almost funny. This is the delayed 12:38 Transfinine, and it's named Hales Castle. There's some squeaky brakes. This train was delayed due to a broken down train. 8:02 to 1:10. Leaving now is the 12:38 to Berwick, even though the destination says Edinburgh. Yeah, 800 103. I think so.
The approaching train is not scheduled to stop at this station.
So I'm just having a mint. There's two trains, there's a freight and a limo. Freight, limo. One of them. And there's a bed. Limo 803. I've got it too.
Oh, you got it as well?
Yeah.
We are sorry to announce that the 1401 cross-country service to Edinburgh is delayed by approximately 11 minutes. Stand well away from the edge of platform 1. The approaching train is not scheduled to stop at this station.
Too late. So we are waiting for. Yeah.
Over here.
What?
I'll stand at the back of it.
We are waiting for an engineering train, freight. Voice overing, recording, whatever I'm saying. We are waiting for a freight train to pass through, which is. Yeah, it's under the head. It's on real-time trains. It's ZZ, and it's passed as a GVRF. So we're just waiting for it to come. But it's not in sight. Here it comes. Alright. That is not a freight. That was not a freight, that was a limo. I'll cut back to you when the food train episodes. I'll see.
Any home for you?
I didn't catch a number on that. I'll look into why that wasn't featuring and I didn't catch that number for you. Reason for the featuring, I think what happened was that Lumo, well, the freight train was stopped to let the Lumo service pass. I'm not sure what or who's going to be operating it. Sorry for the shakiness. It's hard not to do it when you've got the wind against you. There we go, there it is. $66,117. Apparently that was the engineering train. Now leaving is the cross-country 221138 service, the Plymouth, well, cross-country service, Plymouth bound of 221138. Yeah, my kind of have somewhere, which got good news for me. Here goes 221138. Making its way off Plymouth. Here we've got a cross-country rider to Edinburgh, scheduled to arrive, and there's somebody else. There's a guy.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 1410 cross-country service to Plymouth, calling at Newcastle, Durham, Darlington, York, Leeds, Wakefield Westgate, Sheffield, Chesterfield, Derby, Burton-on-Trent, Birmingham New Street, Cheltenham Spa, Bristol Parkway, Bristol Temple Meads, Taunton, Tiverton Parkway, Exeter St David, Newton Abbot, Totnes, and Plymouth. A train service of drinks is available on this train.
Well, that's good to know,
The
but
next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 1410 cross-country service to Plymouth.
driver. This is 220015. We have got another cross-country due in. Another one due in. I'll watch That's not pot. Yeah. Yes. Okay. This is a cross-country Voyager to Edinburgh. Or 15, making its way to Edinburgh. Then we have got a southbound service coming soon, but in the meantime I'm getting attacked by all types of such as flies, bees, wasps, hornets and whatnot. And conveniently timed is, well, this should hopefully, I've knocked my hat off. Wait. I couldn't catch a number, my hat fell off. But this is to Plymouth. This unit, this is 221138. Plymouth. It is dirty. Very dirty, actually. Sounded like it. There is a sign for it, yeah. To 8th century. I'm guessing by the bird flying away that there is a train coming. I'm just guessing that there's a thing.
I'll wait till it comes. The arms lost in blood.
That's what it's called.
Yeah.
Volvo. Same here. Then my Volvo one.
And when the barber one.
I'm wearing about a top.
Is that why they stopped playing now last week? Because they just give up.
But no, it was the end of the
No,
I said it.
They just said, there's no point. Lads, how are you, man? There's 13 of us, we can't take a ball. Let's just go. Let's just give up. Let's just close the club. Let's sell the ground off. I'll keep the football.
And
Do you reckon? Yeah.
No, I don't think that happened.
I thought that might have happened.
No,
I genuinely thought that might have happened. Oh,
yeah, it is. Here he is. Didn't catch a number on that, sorry.
You know what? He waved at you as well, did you see that?
Oh, no, I don't.
He waved at you. You see it when you look at your video.
To be a train passing through. But I don't. When I was checking on real-time trains, there was nothing showing up. trying to make sure that my can's safe from the wind. It's my only way of having a drink, really, right now. That's it. That was a Tesla car.
Coming this way, is it?
This one, the track furthest one was track on 2. What's the word information? There's a plane somewhere. There's a plane somewhere, I can hear it.
It's a light aircraft.
What? I can't see it. No, I can. But it's near the sun and I don't know who that was.
That was speedy one time down there.
Oh. Oh, we're very, echoing.
That's it.
Welcome to Alnmouth Station, I guess. This is what you normally see. There it is. It's 1207. We are waiting for Zoom service to London King's Cross. It's going. To like that should be it. Yeah, it's. Do I count the essential? 801223. Ringing now is the NER service on to London King. What?
A couple of minutes left before people runs out.
Here goes 801223. But it says 2. It says to London King's Cross, 801223. For the last thing of the day, that I can't remember what it is. I think it's the Limo or NER. Oh gosh, it's definitely not afraid. It's definitely not afraid. But it is a passing. I can tell you that it's a passing. Two. Right, here it is. Got two apparently.
1 minute.
Yeah, we don't know if it's showing off.